In this demo, we're going to see how to resolve incidents quickly using process automation. Let's pick up where we left off during the last demo. To recap, we're trying to resolve issues related to the order status service, and we saw how AI can group similar alerts and automate root cause analysis. Now let's attach an AI-identified article on recommended actions when receiving a low disk alert on a Windows server and inform our team that we will be applying this remediation. This article over here seems to be relevant to the remediation that we're looking for. Now let's click on the three dots to attach this article to the ticket. Click Attach, and now let's type in a message to our colleagues stating that we're going to be trying this remediation first and letting them know that the change in log tracking is causing this issue. Now open up Actions to fix this issue. With Flow Designer, we can fix issues on affected CIs. Without this feature, we will have to manually remove logs and expand disk space. The platform has pre-built workflows for remediation, such as removing log files and expanding disks. Now let's click on Run Remediation for the remediation to begin. The platform has pre-built workflows for remediation, such as removing log files and expanding disk space. Once remediated, we see that alerts have also been automatically closed by the system. We deleted 127 log files and gained 2.5 gigs in additional space by running the remediation. Now let's go back to the operator workspace to see the order status process, and we see that it is now in green, indicating that the related issue has been resolved. And that's how you use AI and process automation to remediate issues quickly. Now let's take a similar example from PagerDuty and dive deep into how to create these automation workflows. Now we are within PagerDuty's Automation tab under Global Orchestration. Within Global Orchestration, you can create new roles for events that are upcoming and for remediation. Now let's click on the new role. You can set rules based on matching criteria. For example, you can suspend alerts for 300 seconds before triggering an incident. We can also add nested rules. These are for more complex alerts or complex logics that can be built on top of the orchestration. For example, you can apply this rule if there is an event source. Similarly, you can also set priority for the incident that you would like this orchestration for. For in this example, the priority is P3. Next, you can determine where these events should go once global orchestration has processed them. Here are examples of service routes. For example, if event meets one condition on summary based on what we've already set, it's routed to the product database team. You can certainly add many levels as needed and create nesting rules depending on the logic that you would like to create. You can also use historical data to kick off additional automation. Over here on the right side, you see examples of recent events that have happened. So you can set your service route based on the historical events. You can also enable service orchestration in addition to global orchestration. Oh, in summary, in this demo we saw how AI and process automation can be set up to resolve issues quickly.